as we look at education, people working and learning at home, we have a number of offers we've brought to bear to help people get out for people to learn remotely and at a distance.
Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Zarate with CRN TV, joined by HP's Anneliese Olson to talk about the PC vendor's commitment to advance remote learning worldwide. Thank you for joining us, Anneliese.
Excited to be here. Thanks for having me.
How are partners using HP tools to help schools in underserved communities?
So we have a great program called HP Turn to Learn, and where we looked end to end to be able to provide curriculum, free access to content, and printing services through our channel partners to those underserved schools and students to have that available out in all of the markets.
And how are you equipping partners to better serve education customers during the pandemic?
First, we want to make sure we provide all of the right channels and training for helping people to understand what solutions and bundles are available that they can take up and take to their customers. And then, especially for those focused on education, utilizing things like HP Turn to Learn or the HP Refresh program for PCs. It's a great opportunity to bring those people to give more access to students to learn.
And why are HP's financial services so important, especially during this time?
I mean, budgets are tight. People don't have capital expenditure freedom right now. And so to be able to take HP Financial Services along with some of these education offers and have a channel partner take those to customers and give them a service and a predictable, lower cost way to manage moving in this direction can really help out their end user customer and really provide value that that channel partner can take to them.
School districts are trying to figure out what does that mean for them and how do they continue to connect with students and make sure students are being educated the way they need to be. And technology is a big part of that, especially HP technology.
What demands are you seeing for HP solutions around education?
Well, what we're seeing is that in California, where we're based, all of the schools have basically gone to school from home, if you will. But the school districts are still looking at what does the future look like, and they're looking for technology solutions that will continue to empower them to do these sorts of things.
Education's an interesting animal right now. A lot of what we're seeing is video driven from the schools, whether it's K through 12 or whether it's higher ed. And having those needs from a video collaborative perspective is very important. Some of the HP tool sets that are built into the units, whether it's the desktops or the notebooks, really tie themselves well to supporting the education market.
And how are those products helping your customers stay connected, productive, learning, and secure?
School districts want to stock up, if you will, on having laptops ready to go because some of their students don't have laptops or PCs at home. Our area where we're at in Central California, this is more, we have a lot of farm workers' kids, and we have a lot of people that work and live in rural areas, so they don't have high bandwidth. So solving those problems has become one of our biggest challenges.
In the education space, the tool sets that are tied to these systems help drive that connected space. And it needs to become more and more connected as we start to look forward. And I think what you'll see in a lot of these manufacturers, even from HP, is that they're going to really enhance some of those offerings so that the connected education space can be more and more prevalent out there in the market.